Imagine standing at a career crossroads with two paths stretching before you. One leads to consulting, where you solve complex business problems with expert advice. The other leads to coaching, where you empower people to unlock their potential and achieve their dreams. Both promise impact, income, and fulfillment. But which one is right for you? Today, we're diving into consulting versus coaching, exploring their differences, market trends, earning potential, and strategies for success in 2025. This 10 to 15-minute journey will give you the clarity to choose your path. Let's get started. The 2025 landscape, a world of opportunity. It's 2025, and the professional world is buzzing with change. Businesses are navigating digital transformation, AI advancements, and global competition, while individuals are seeking personal growth like never before. This is where consulting and coaching shine. Consulting steps in to solve specific business challenges, such as streamlining operations, boosting profits, or navigating regulatory hurdles. Coaching focuses on personal and professional development, helping people clarify goals, build confidence, and achieve breakthroughs. The global consulting market was valued at over $700 billion in 2023, while the coaching market is projected to hit $7.3 billion by 2025. Both are growing, but they serve different needs. Let's unpack what makes each unique. Defining consulting and coaching. First, let's define these two paths. Consulting is about providing expert advice and solutions to businesses or individuals facing specific challenges. Consultants are hired for their deep knowledge in fields like strategy, finance, or technology. They analyze problems, deliver data-driven recommendations, and sometimes implement solutions. For example, a consultant might help a company optimize its supply chain or develop a new market strategy. Coaching, by contrast, is about guiding individuals or teams to achieve their goals through personal growth. Coaches don't typically give direct answers. Instead, they ask powerful questions, offer support, and hold clients accountable. Think of a coach helping a CEO improve leadership skills or an individual find work-life balance. In short, consultants fix what's broken, while coaches build what's possible. Key differences: how they work. To choose between consulting and coaching, you need to understand how they differ. Here's a breakdown. Approach. Consultants are directive. They analyze problems and tell clients what to do. Coaches are facilitative, helping clients discover their own solutions through reflection and guidance. Focus. Consulting targets business problems like improving efficiency or profitability. Coaching focuses on personal growth, such as building confidence or leadership skills. Timeline. Consulting is often project-based, with a clear start and end. Coaching can be ongoing, continuing as long as the client needs support. Client interaction. Consultants typically work with organizations or teams, while coaches often work one-on-one, though group coaching is growing. Market size and growth. Let's talk about the market. The consulting industry is massive, valued at over $700 billion in 2023, with projections to reach $421.2 billion by 2033 at a 5.3% CAGR. North America and Europe lead, but Asia-Pacific is growing fast, driven by demand for digital transformation and sustainability expertise. The coaching industry, while smaller, is surging. It's expected to hit $7.3 billion by 2025, up from $4.6 billion in 2022, with a 17% compound annual growth rate from 2019 to 2022. Online coaching is a key driver, projected to reach $11.7 billion by 2032 at a 14% compound annual growth rate. Niches like business, health, and executive coaching are particularly hot. These numbers show both fields are thriving, but consulting's scale is unmatched, while coaching's growth rate is impressive, especially in digital and niche markets. Revenue potential. What can you earn? Now let's get to the money. Both consulting and coaching offer strong earning potential, but the paths differ. In the US, management consultants earn an average of $73,000 annually, but top earners at firms like McKinsey or BCG can start at $100,000 and scale to 6 or 7 figures. Independent consultants with niche expertise like cybersecurity or AI strategy can charge $200 to $500 per hour or more. Experienced coaches charge $200 to $500 per hour, with top coaches in niches like executive or business coaching earning 6 or 7 figures. Scaling through group coaching, online courses, or digital products can boost income significantly. For example, a coach with 10 clients at $300 per session twice a month earns $72,000 annually before scaling. Both paths reward expertise and strategic business models, but consulting often offers higher starting salaries, while coaching scalability shines with digital offerings. What it takes to succeed? Success in either field requires distinct skills. For consulting, you need deep expertise in a specific field, like strategy, finance, or IT. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills to tackle complex issues. Data-driven decision-making and clear communication of findings. Comfort with ambiguity and high-pressure environments. For coaching, the focus is on exceptional interpersonal and communication skills, empathy and the ability to build trust quickly, mastery of asking powerful questions and active listening, inspiring and motivating clients to take action. If you're a data-driven problem solver, consulting might be your fit. If you're a people person who loves fostering growth, coaching could be your calling. Challenges and risks, the hurdles to overcome. No path is without challenges. Here's what to watch out for. Consulting challenges. High competition, especially from large firms like Deloitte or Accenture. Need for continuous learning to stay relevant in fast-changing industries. Dependency on client projects can lead to income volatility. Coaching challenges. Building a client base can be slow, especially for new coaches. Maintaining client engagement requires consistent effort and fresh approaches. Risk of burnout if you overcommit or don't set boundaries. Both fields require resilience, but consultants can mitigate competition by specializing, while coaches can accelerate growth with strong marketing and technology. Emerging trends. What's shaping 2025? The future is bright for both consulting and coaching, with exciting trends shaping 2025. Consulting trends. Increased use of AI and data analytics for smarter decision-making. Growing demand for digital transformation and sustainability expertise. Rise of boutique firms offering specialized high-value services. Coaching trends. Surge in niche coaching, like wellness, diversity, or AI-focused coaching. Popularity of micro-coaching sessions, 15 to 30 minutes, for flexibility. Integration of AI tools, like virtual coaching assistants, to enhance efficiency. Technology is transforming both fields, making them more accessible and scalable. Consultants are leveraging AI for insights, while coaches are using online platforms to reach global audiences. Success stories. Real-world impact. Let's look at some inspiring examples. In consulting, Michael Zapersky, founder of Consulting Success, turned his expertise into a thriving business that coaches consultants to grow their practices. His Clarity coaching program has helped over 1,000 consultants worldwide build 6- and 7-figure businesses, proving the power of combining expertise with strategic marketing. In coaching, Bill Campbell, known as the coach of coaches, worked with tech giants like Steve Jobs, Sheryl Sandberg, and Jeff Bezos. His guidance didn't just improve businesses, it transformed leaders, helping them navigate challenges and achieve extraordinary results. These stories show that both paths can lead to profound impact and financial success. So, which path should you choose? If you love diving into complex business problems and have deep expertise in a field like strategy or technology, consulting might be your sweet spot. If you're passionate about helping people grow, build confidence, and achieve their dreams, coaching could be your calling. Both offer financial rewards and the chance to make a difference, but they demand different skills and mindsets. The beauty is, you don't have to choose just one. Many professionals blend consulting and coaching, thinking of coach-sulting to offer both solutions and guidance. The key is to align your path with your strengths and passions. If you're ready to start your journey, take action today. Research your niche, connect with mentors, or explore online platforms to build your skills. Your future in consulting or coaching starts now. Thanks for watching, and let's make 2025 your year to shine.